How to fill out a MoneyGram money order. Filling out a MoneyGram money order looks simple, and that is exactly why people rush it. One small mistake can turn an easy payment into a delay, a correction, or a money order that feels risky to carry around. The most important detail is not the amount, because that is usually printed already. It is writing the right information in the right place before the paper leaves your hand. And one line matters more than people think. What is a MoneyGram money order? A MoneyGram money order is a prepaid paper payment. Instead of using a personal check, you buy the money order first and then fill in the person or business that should receive the money. That is why many people use it for rent, bills, deposits, or payments where a check is not ideal. It is generally treated as a safer option than carrying cash, but only if you complete it properly and keep your receipt. The form can vary slightly by location, so always follow the labels printed on your specific money order.
How do you fill it out correctly?
The first line to complete is usually the pay to line. That is where you write the full name of the person or company receiving the payment. Write clearly and do not leave that space blank, because a blank payee line can create problems if the money order is lost before it reaches the right person. Then look for the section where you add your own information. Depending on the form, this may say from purchaser or ask for your address. This is where you write your name and, if requested, your address. After that, check whether there is a space for an account number, order number, or memo. That line is useful if you are paying rent, a utility bill, or anything that needs to be matched to your account, where people get confused. A lot of confusion happens with the signature area. Usually there is a line for the purchaser to sign, and that is where you sign your own name. If there is another section meant for the recipient or for office use, leave that alone. Another common mistake is writing extra information in random spaces just to be safe. That can make the form harder to read. Keep everything neat, match names carefully, and use dark ink. If you make a serious mistake, it is often smarter to ask about replacement or refund options than to scratch things out and hope it still goes through.
What nobody tells you until it is too late.
The part many people overlook is the receipt stub. That small receipt is what helps you track the money order, prove purchase, or request help if it is lost. Without it, fixing a problem can become much harder. It is also smart to fill out the money order as soon as you buy it, especially the payee line. A money order that is purchased but left incomplete is much less secure than people assume. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. The safest way to finish the job, so if you want the simple version, here it is. Write the recipient's name on the payee line, add your name and details where the form asks for the purchaser, include any account or memo information if needed, sign only in the purchaser's signature area, and keep the receipt somewhere safe. That is the real key. Filling out a MoneyGram money order is not hard. It just needs to be done cleanly, completely, and before you hand it over. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.